Hey friends, who's hungry? Tired of the same old boring meatloaf recipe? Give BBQ meatloaf topped with bacon a try. In a mixing bowl, combine 5 slices of chopped bacon, 2½ teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 3/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of onion powder, 2 tablespoons of paprika, and 3 tablespoons of dark brown sugar. Transfer the ingredients to a food processor and pulse until the mixture forms a thick paste. In a larger mixing bowl, add 2 pounds of ground beef, 1/3 cup of breadcrumbs, 1 large egg, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, half a teaspoon of dried ground mustard, the bacon paste, and 3/4 cup of milk. Mix until the ingredients are evenly combined. Then form the mixture into a 12-inch loaf on a cookie sheet lined with foil. Place butcher paper or parchment paper over the foil to absorb some of the grease. Bake the meatloaf at 350 degrees for 1 hour. Remove the meatloaf from the oven. Spread 1/4 cup of your favorite barbecue sauce over the top. Return the meatloaf to the oven and bake for an additional 15 minutes. In the meantime, fry 2 additional strips of bacon until crisp. Drain on paper towels, then chop. Remove the meatloaf from the oven and sprinkle the chopped cooked bacon over the top. Allow the meatloaf to rest for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Follow me for more recipes.